All right, this video is about navigating a database for research. A database like MiddleSearch Plus has lots of magazine articles, journal articles, newspaper articles, reference book articles, chapters from books. It's like a whole library online. So you need to be very careful with the keywords that you're searching. Let's say we want to do the government and social media. We want to know about their security policies or their privacy policies. Actually, I'm going to add privacy too. Okay, so government, social media, and privacy, and search. Now remember, when you search, you get a variety of things to look at. Okay, this is a very busy screen. You can change, instead of by relevance, by number of keywords, you can change it to the newest date, is one way you can organize it. You can change to the publication date over here by using the slider. You can look for only cover stories, which will be longer and more in-depth. You can do by source type, newspapers, magazines, and you can limit by subject. So if you see a couple of subjects here, you can show more, and now you have a whole list of subjects. Sometimes there's only 2 or 3 about the actual subject, but it's a good place also to get keywords from. Okay, so you might narrow it down like that. Once you get it narrowed down, you start to look at the results that you have. Notice you have an author's name, you have the source that it came from. Discover is a magazine. You have the date that you found it. There's even a reading level or a Lexile. You want to make sure anything over 1300 is going to be harder, but words like surveillance are harder words, so you're going to find that the Lexiles are a little higher here anyway. Scroll down. If you find something that you like, you can look at the different subjects. If you don't find something that you like, you can change your keywords. Okay, so maybe I don't love what I'm getting for this. I'm just going to do government and privacy. And I use the word and, which is a Boolean operator, because I would prefer articles with both of those things. So now I have, here's government and privacy. Here's the Data Act. Aha! A law, a challenge, a legislation, something that would help government manage how it handles the data that it collects, which is a privacy issue. Okay, so here's the government's aerial smartphone surveillance program legal. I'm going to click on that. Let's say I think this is a great article. I can listen to it. If I click listen and it doesn't work, I'm going to go get the permalink on the right hand side and copy it. And I'm going to paste it into Internet Explorer because I'm in Chrome right now. And if it doesn't work in Chrome, the listen does work in Internet Explorer. In addition, this permalink is the link that you would want to add to your source tracking sheet. Because if you add the search URL, this is a temporary URL and won't get you back to the article tomorrow. So you would need to get this permalink to add to your source tracking sheet. Once you're ready to print, over on the right hand side there is a print button. You're going to click print. You can simply print as is. You don't have to worry about these things. Or if you wanted to change this, you could change it to Chicago Humanities for the citation format. And then click print. And that will clean it up and give you the information that you need so that you can read it and annotate it and understand it. Any questions, please email the librarian or ask your teacher.